Hello, my dear fourth class children. A very good morning to each and everyone. Welcome back to our social class. Okay, children. So today we are going to learn about mass communication examples. Already we learned about television, radio, books, newspapers, and the magazine. Today we are going to learn about cinema and internet. Examples of mass communication. Cinema, internet. Cinema and internet. Like television, the cinema also educates and entertains people. Okay, like television, the cinema means the movies where you watch in the theaters. You go to the theaters and watch on the big screen. So whereas the television is a small screen and the cinema is the big screen where you can entertain yourselves by watching the cinemas. And cinemas also, some movies also educate people. They educate the people by movies and they entertain the people. Film spread social messages. So what the films made, the social messages means what is going in the society. So what are the defaults about disadvantages of the society? They will show through the cinemas and the dramas, isn't it? So what is happening in the world? So what is happening in the society? They will make a movie and they will give the messages through the cinemas. Educational films inform us on various topics of science, medicine, history, etc. Okay, they are not only give the messages of the society, they will give the messages regarding the educational topics like science, mathematics and what history. Science, mathematics and about history. History means what is happened before before our grandmother used to live early ages. So who are the kings? Understood? So what happened during that time? They will make the movies and they will show to us. They will give the messages about the history and the sciences. Sciences means regarding the universe. Understood? Aliens movies, all that by seeing the movies you know you are learning. Okay, this is about the cinema. Then we move on to the internet. So nowadays everyone are using this word, no? Internet. Whoever will talk, they will talk about the internet. The internet is also a means of mass communication. Internet is also a means of mass communication. People can use the internet to get the information about many things they want to know. Nowadays every house have internet connection. Out of 10 houses, 8 or 9 houses are connected with the internet. So how the internet is helping us to know about the world, to know about the information what is happening in the world. This information is available on the internet in the forms of text. Text means your messages where you type no text, and the pictures and videos. So where you watch the videos through YouTube, no? Text means Twitter. So where they comment, they'll give the messages with writing. And the pictures you found the images. Okay, so internet will give the information with the help form of text, pictures and videos. This information is useful to people working in different fields like scientists, doctors, chefs and teachers. So if you have any doubt, so where you go, you search in the Google, no, isn't it? So regarding anything you want, you search Google. How the Google will work? With the help of the internet. This internet is helpful for the scientists, doctors and chefs. Chefs means the people who cook the food. They are called the chefs, and the teachers. So teachers are also used internet to find information, so to teach their children. Understood, children? These are the two mass communication, the cinema and the internet. So what are the mass communication we discuss? So first we discuss newspaper, books and magazines. Then afterwards radio and television and the cinema and the internet. So these are all the examples of mass communication. So what is mass communication means? The mass communication is nothing but where we can share information to the larger group of people, not single one or two. Where we can share our information with the larger group of the people is called mass communication. What are the examples of mass communication? Books, newspapers, magazines, radio, television, cinema and the internet. Okay children, these about mass communication. I hope you understand about the mass communication. Then we meet in the next class with one more interesting topic. Until be safe children. Thank you.